if I told you you didn't have to just trade by yourself? What if you could always have an assistant that always gives you good feedback on trades, whether the item is projected, dropping, rising, or anything? What if I told you there is a bot with 60,000 lines of code that has just remembered every prediction in trading, valued wrap items, demand, everything that you can just utilize for yourself? Today, Roblox trading changes. Over the last 6 months, I have developed a trading Discord robot that if you input any trade under 30K for now, it will give you the most accurate response that you can get. But there's also another feature that I have to show you that is also really cool but under development. And in this video, you're lucky because you're gonna get to see it right now. I don't know if this trade for Virtual Commando is good, so I'm gonna use my Discord robot to tell me if this trade is good or bad. All right, let's see what it says. Run analysis. It's actually telling me everything about the big heads to wrap, how it's performing. It's telling me almost everything. The verdict also says that it's a bad downgrade since the big heads are not overpaying anything, and I'm just downgraded for equal, which is just bad. This bot seems so advanced. Let's try another trade. All right, this is a 400 low ball for Virtual Commando. Let's see what the bot says about this one. All right, run analysis. Wow, the bot actually told me that it was a bad downgrade and we weren't even getting a single OP, and it made sure to tell us too. It seems like legit is slightly under wrap, but it does say that Virtual Commando is healthy, so that's pretty good. It also shows us what the items get in OP, so that's actually very useful. I don't know if this trade is good or bad. Big head or Patriot vision? Let's put it through the bot and see what it says. Wow, so it actually gives us an in-depth explanation as to why this 1v1 is actually bad. It marked the trade as even, and it says big head usually pulls a 500 OP, and Patriot vision only covered 31 wrap, and the minimum needed is 500, mostly because Patriot is low demand. Wow, this is honestly insane. Let's see if this trade for Black Iron Commando is good. All right, let's see what it says. Wow, it gave us an in-depth explanation as to why our upgrade into Black Iron Commando was actually good. So we're giving mostly low demand items into a actually high demand Black Iron Commando. It shows that since we got a really strong upgrade, we dump low demand wrap into valued, that this is just a really good trade, and it even tells us why. This is honestly insane. Let's see if this trade for Rubber Ducky is good. I was saying that since we load Rubber Ducky, and this is honestly a really good trade, actually told us why, and it was marked as a strong upgrade. This spot seems very accurate. All right, let's try some harder. Let's see if this trade for Traffic Cone is good. Wow, it's actually able to tell us if this trade was actually good. It's basically saying that this trade is good because Traffic Cone usually gets 500 OPs, but we're only paying 337 in a 4v1. If I didn't have this bot, I don't know what I would do with myself. It seems like this guy needs help with his trade. I can't believe he's actually asking for help from other people. Let's put in our bot and see what it says. Wow, it actually told us in seconds that this trade is actually a good downgrade. This is because we're getting enough of an overpay with 4 good items. That guy never ever had to ask rolling mons. He could have just used his bots to just help himself. Let's see if our robot can help them upgrade their inventory. All right, so we just put in the username. Let's see what happens. Wow, it actually gave us groups of items that needs to be upgraded. This is just insane. So it calculated the wrap of each item that you need to upgrade, and it also focuses on smalls and ignores your biggest items if they're way bigger than the rest of your inventory. You can switch between groups, you can see the items. This is just insane. And it seems like this update is actually very early in development, so there's going to be groups based on, you know, like it should be upgraded first. And there's also going to be a downgrade feature, so this is going to be really cool. This is under development, but for a trade, I hope it is actually still being developed. It's doing very good. It also even tells you if an item is projected. So Skater 14 is actually projected, and it says target is projected and overpriced versus baseline. So we're giving too much for the projected to actually be able to flip it. This bot is one of the most accurate bots for Roblox trading. This is completely new, never been done before, developed by me, Rotori. If you want to be one of the first people to get access to this robot, I'll tell you what to do. Join the Discord server linked in the description, then you will actually be able to be notified the same day that this bot is released to the public. You're going to see in the next coming weeks that this project will be the biggest thing you've ever seen.